Hi, thanks for watching. Okay, this next project, I have this spreadsheet that I want to clean up the information, get the information more organized. So what it is, these are rental properties, real estate rental properties. So Pualina, Fairway Villa, Marco Polo 909 is another rental property. These are all rental properties. So what I want to do is, for instance, okay, so you see on each property, the month is January. I got the rent received, the maintenance fee I paid, the first mortgage I paid, and the second mortgage I paid. Okay, and then February starts the same thing. And then what I did, because I did Pualena already, so you can see right here, well, we actually started the second year. So the January rent was the January first mortgage right here was 1235. So that right there, 1235. And then the second mortgage was 277.80 right there. And then the maintenance fee 416.16. Well, actually right there. And then the rent received 1995 right there. So I want to do that for each property all the way across, and you can scroll this way, makes it easier, all the way to the end right there. Okay, so let's say, for instance, okay, I've already done the Pualena, so let's do the second one, FV for Fairway Villa. So we go back to this other one, and I'll go right click, insert worksheet, and then I'm going to go Control V for that, and then I can grab these two well, let's see, let's move this over one, and I can grab these two columns, Control C, put my cursor there, Control V. Okay, and then just like I did on Pualena, so the let's say, whoops, let's just write in here first mortgage, second mortgage, maintenance fee, and rent. And then we can put the months right here, January, February, and like this. I think it ends. It goes for all of this year right here. This is actually the year 2007. And then it starts up again in January, February, March. Okay, if you see this neg thing, you can take that out. And if you want, you can take this out. And this doesn't really matter. But okay, so for January, you get the first mortgage. Okay, so it's X. There was no first mortgage there. But we did get a maintenance fee for January, so we put that there. And then for February, we had another maintenance fee. See? And then we had a first mortgage for February, like that. And then, on and on it goes. And so you just do that and you make it look okay, and then you rename this, whatever it is, FV for Fairway Villa, and you just make it look like this one. But only this one has 2 years, but yours will only have, well, the 1 year, and then it's also going to have probably January, February, March of the following year, because if you scroll down, you can see December, January, February, March. And then you just go through for each property, and you'll see some of the properties, Halela Upper and Halela Lower, those are because I had 2 rental units, but it was vacant, except we did get rent right there, $24.95. So we did get some rent there. And then there's another one that has 2 rental units, Inapo Upper. So it got, like for instance, this one. So it got, from the 1 unit, it got this much rent, and for the other unit I got this much rent. So you would just make, where'd we go? Back over here, you could just put rent 2 in there, and then put it in there if it has a second unit. And so you just go on like that. And hopefully this is pretty self-explanatory. And so I'll send you these files. And again, thank you for your work.